So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Santani. I'm one of the PIs here at Smith-Kettlewell. And it has been super exciting to see this meeting happen, to have so many people come visit. A lot of visitors to California put In-N-Out Burger as one of their must-visit items. So for some reason, in that parlance, this next session is kind of like a double-double. It's twice the size of the regular offering. So we're splitting it into two parts here. It also combines, let's say, two complementary ingredients. The fresh lettuce of advances in methods to restore vision from the retinal level on up. And the juicy hot beef, and I do mean beef, of the question of when and whether vision restoration should even be the goal. And so we'll hear from a huge variety of viewpoints and methods, and I'm very excited about that.